The Malaysian Timber Council, MTC, hosted a warm and modest Chinese New Year Luncheon at its headquarters on 10 February 2026, bringing together industry leaders from Peninsular Malaysia, Sabah and Sarawak in the spirit of unity and shared prosperity. MTC Chairman, Yang Berbahagia Datuk Haji Zainal Abidin Haji Abdullah, highlighted the Lunar New Year as a meaningful moment for renewal, reflection and collective progress. Inspired by the Year of the Firehorse, he encouraged the industry to rethink, reset and refresh its approaches, particularly in enhancing productivity, fostering innovation and strengthening the global positioning of Malaysian timber through technology adoption, digitalization and more informed decision-making to remain resilient and future-ready. Guests also enjoyed a special Chinese New Year video presented by MTC's internal team, showcasing the Council's creativity and camaraderie. The event concluded with the traditional tossing of Yi Sang led by the MTC chairman. Also present were several members of the newly appointed Board of Trustees of MTC, along with MTC Chief Executive Officer Puan Noraihan Abdul Rahman, Deputy Chief Executive Officer Encik Mokhtar Muhammad Yaakob, and representatives from the Malaysian Timber Association, MTA, and MTC staff.